kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen. Long time when I come out of the kitchen and give it something in front of the camera, and I decided to stay right in front of the camera. This morning I'm gonna talk about high blood pressure. Now I got three ingredients I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be using some okra, some lemon, and some water, and I'm gonna be doing the video to show you guys what you can do at home, help to control your high blood pressure. Now, if you are not suffering from high blood pressure, you still can also drink it. It's very good for you. Secondly, I'm gonna introduce you guys some more other ingredients which I have coming up very soon. But one thing I want to say to you, remember, please follow me on my Instagram and also my Facebook page, Chef Ricardo Cooking, and remember to go over to my website, chefricardo.co.uk, and tune in with some more recipes and tips and ideas for you. Now, I'm gonna be showing you. First of all, if you're on medication, I want to simply say to you, remember, check with your doctor first before you start to make this natural home remedy. I believe in home remedy. It works for me, and I know it can work for millions of people on this planet. Most of these recipes, guys, is amazing to know when we use them in the kitchen and share certain kind of recipe with you. I love it, and that's why I'm here to share the world's most beautiful recipe you could ever think of from Chef Ricardo. I will be giving you guys a lot of video coming up very soon. It's coming up to Thanksgiving Day and a lot more stuff coming up. Christmas is coming up, a lot of stuff, New Year resolution, a lot of things in the pipeline ahead coming from Chef Ricardo. I have to keep you guys up there. I love you all, and remember one thing, don't forget to subscribe and click in the notification. Stay tuned in. I'm gonna show you how to make recipe this morning with you guys. Alright, now I'm gonna simply share with you. We got 3 medium-sized okra. We have some lemon, and I want to walk you through it and show you how to make this and also drink it at home. It's gonna make it different to you guys, honestly. I'm gonna simply say to you, still don't even need to be honest with you, I'm gonna simply say to you, you don't even need to like, if you are suffering from high blood pressure, but this works really well, and a lot of people do love it. All right, so we're gonna put this straight right here. So this is what you want to do. You want to make sure get at least 3 medium-sized okra and put it straight inside of it like this. Alright, beautiful. So I'm simply saying, you may know someone who may suffer from it. You may not even, make sure you're getting some. You can use it a lemon or lime. So I'm using some lemon right here. I'm gonna put 2 slices inside of it. Alright, just like this, and that is beautiful, guys, honestly. Now I'm gonna tell you the honest truth, this is a recipe which I do love, and I'm always using it. Alright, I'm always using it, and I'm gonna simply say to you, if you're at home, please make this, guys, honestly. Now, to be honest with you, once you put that beautiful okra, alright, what we're gonna do is pour some water into it. Alright, and then once you do that, honestly, what you want to do is try your best and leave it for a few hours. You can either just cover it with something like this, or you can clean film it, or just put something over it and put it into your fridge. Now what you want to do, you want to drink this at least 2 to 3 times a day. Alright, and you will see the result of it, guys. It's amazing, it's fantastic, and I'm gonna simply say to you, you guys definitely will enjoy this one. Alright, and if you have any ideas, you know where to find me on my Instagram page or my Facebook page, or you can go to my website, chefricardo.co.uk, and then tune in and get some more tips and ideas from Chef Ricardo. Okra and lemon got a lot of health benefit. Alright, guys, so thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned in, and we will be coming with more recipes. See you next time. Bye for now.